Hello children, Sai Ram. Welcome to Social Studies online session. Today we are going to continue with the lesson. Lesson number 3, the Northern Mountains. So before moving ahead, let's quickly recall what we had learned in the previous class. The Northern Mountains stretch like a great wall across the northern and northeastern parts of our country. It includes Karakoram, Ladakh and the Himalayan ranges of mountains. The Himalayas consist of 3 mountain ranges. They are the Himadri, the Himachal and the Shivalik. And today we are going to learn about the importance of the Himalayas, life in the northern mountains. So let's get started. Now we will see the importance of Himalayas. The Himalayas act like a wall on our northern borders and protect our country from enemies. They also protect us from cold winds blowing from Central Asia. That is, the Himalayas are a great climate barrier. They save our country from cold and dry winds of Central Asia. Okay. The Himalayas stop the monsoon winds from going further north and thus bring heavy rainfall to the northern plains of India. The forests in the Himalayan region are home to several wild animals. That is, the Himalayan forest provides shelter to a variety of wild animals and birds. They are also a source of wood, medicines and other useful things. Several rivers originate in the Himalayas and they provide us with water and also make our land fertile. And many dams have been built in the Himalayan rivers which provides electricity and irrigate agricultural lands. Is that clear? Life in the northern mountains. A number of states are located in the northern mountains. They are Jammu and Kashmir. So children, Jammu and Kashmir, earlier it was a state and now it is declared as union. It is declared as a union territory. Okay. And the states are Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Sikkim, West Bengal, Assam, Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram, Tripura, Meghalaya and Arunachal Pradesh. So let's learn about the climatic conditions, the clothing and the crops grown in this region and the languages spoken by the people in this region. Okay. Jammu and Kashmir. Jammu and Kashmir is a union territory. And children, some of you must have visited Jammu and Kashmir, right? Now tell me, what is Jammu and Kashmir famous for? Yes? Jammu is famous for its temples, right? And Kashmir is famous for its lakes and gardens. Okay. So it is almost entirely mountainous. That is, it is full of mountains. And now tell me about the climate. Yes, it is very cold in winters. What is the capital of Jammu and Kashmir? Yes, children. Jammu and Kashmir has 2 capitals. Yes. What is the summer capital? Yes, Srinagar is the summer capital and Jammu is the winter capital. Okay, and the beautiful Kashmir Valley is a tourist attraction and it is surrounded by snow-capped mountains and has lovely Dal and Vular lakes. Is it clear? Houseboats. What are houseboats? Yes, houses on boats are called houseboats and they float on the lakes. Just look at the picture. This is a beautiful picture of a houseboat which floats on the lake. See how beautiful it is, right? And some of you must have stayed here, right? Okay. And these are mostly used as hotels. Shikaras. Small boats called shikaras are used for boating and as floating shop. Okay. Just look at the picture. Is it clear? Firan. The traditional loose kurta worn by men and women in Kashmir is called firan. Just look at the picture. It's a picture of women in firan. Okay. And children, you all know that it is very cold in winters, right? So, to keep warm in winters, people in Kashmir keep an earthen pot with burning coal known as kangri beneath their firan. Okay. Kashmir is also known for its handicrafts. The people of Kashmir make beautiful handicrafts from wood, brass, silver and papier-mâché. What is a special crop of Kashmir? Yes, saffron is a special crop of Kashmir. Okay. Now we'll see languages spoken. Okay. Kashmiri, Dogri, Urdu and Ladakhi are the languages spoken here. Festivals. Eid and Shivratri are the main festivals. Is it clear? Next is Himachal Pradesh. Children, just view the picture on the screen. How beautiful it is, isn't it? Okay, now tell me, do you eat apples? Yes? Yes, I know. The apples which you eat comes from Himachal Pradesh. Okay. What is the capital of Himachal Pradesh? Yes, you're right. Shimla is the capital of Himachal Pradesh. It's a great tourist attraction. Okay. Thousands of people visit the hill stations of Shimla, Dalhousie, Kulu and Manali every year. And what is a special attraction? Yes, the toy train which takes people from Kalka to Shimla is a special attraction. Okay. Now we'll see the traditional clothes. The traditional clothes of women include tight pajamas and loose kurtas with scarves around their heads. The men wear tight pajamas and loose shirts with colorful caps. Languages. Hindi is the official language of the state, but people mostly speak Pahari. Okay. The main festivals are Dashera and Diwali. The Dashera celebrations of Kulu are famous. Okay. Next is Uttarakhand. This recently formed hill state contains Garhwal and Kumaon ranges. Children, now tell me, what is the capital of Uttarakhand? Yes, you're right. Dehradun. Very good. This is a picture of Dehradun. Dehradun is the capital of Uttarakhand. Okay. Mussoorie in Garhwal and Nainital in Kumaon are important hill stations. The slopes in this area are covered with thick forests of pine, oak, deodar and fir trees. Okay. And they are home to a variety of animals and birds. Is it clear? Gangotri, Yamunotri, Badrinath and Kedarnath are important places of religious and tourist interest. Is it clear, children? With this, I'll stop. The remaining part of this lesson I'll continue in the next class. Now let's take a small recap. Now let's recap of what we have learned today. Okay. The importance of the Himalayas, that is, how the Himalayas are useful to us in many ways. Life in the northern mountains, that Jammu and Kashmir. Srinagar is the summer capital and Jammu is the winter capital. It is a great tourist attraction. Himachal Pradesh. Shimla is the capital of Himachal Pradesh and the toy train which takes people from Kalka to Shimla is a special attraction. Uttarakhand. Dehradun is the capital of Uttarakhand. Gangotri, Yamunotri, Badrinath and Kedarnath are important places of religious and tourist interest. Okay. So children, the remaining part of this lesson I'll continue in the next class. Till then, bye. Thank you.